Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your DGme account from the DGme homepage. Now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your DGme account from DGme homepage, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in $general.com like this and hit enter, and you will find the home page of DGme open over here. And let's let the page load, and this is the home page of DGme or the Dollar General. Now, to log into your DGme account from the home page, you can see the sign in option available over here on the top right corner of the DGme home page. Click on sign in, again sign in, and you'll be redirected to the sign-in page of dollargeneral.com. And you can see you'll be required to enter your email over here, and after that you enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Dollar General account from the Dollar General homepage. Or if you have not yet created an account on Dollar General or the DGme or the DGme, click on create an account, and you'll be taken to the procedure where you can create your Dollar General account. Or if you have forgotten password, click on forgot password to go through a procedure where you can retrieve your Dollar General password. And guys, this is how you log into your Dollar General or the DG account from its homepage. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.